here we go.
What is going on, everyone? It is Lucas. It has been a while. We have not done a video in quite some time now, but we've got some big changes we'd like to show you here. So we're gonna grab keys. Go ahead and head on out here real quick. Oh, doing some work on the old car here. All right, so I'm gonna show you this real quick here. All right. We've done some pretty big changes to the FRS at the moment, so I'm just going to give you a quick little sneak peek. That's right. Alright, so as you can see, we've done some work to the FRS. I'll go ahead and show you here real quick. This is the SBD 500X V2 kit, I guess you could call it. They just released this kit about a month ago now. We did just get this kit in. We installed it about 2.5–3 weeks ago. I mean, it's amazing. The kit's amazing, but we did run into some problems. When we went to put the turbo on the actual manifold itself, we ran into some problems with the studs actually snapped off. Like one of the studs in the header that connects the turbo actually broke, which was kind of crazy. Brand new, you'd think everything would go on just as it's supposed to, but that obviously was not the case. And the other thing, we ran into a lot of heating problems. Obviously, it's a turbo car now. It's going to get hotter. The oil's going to get hotter. But that being said, on our first initial drives, it was getting way up there without an oil cooler and everything. But we did obviously go ahead and do the Matte Performance 19-row oil cooler. Kind of hard to get it fitted on there. It's supposed to mount over here on the left side, but we didn't have room to go around the radiator or around the intercooler itself, so we ended up just putting it, kind of stacking it, I guess you could call it. Not really like stack, but you know what I mean. So yeah, but the oil cooler itself does an amazing job. We were running temps, on just normal driving temps around the like 230 to 240 mark, and with the 19-row oil cooler, we don't get above 200 now. Driving it hard, it'll get like 205, 210, but that's like hard driving, which we don't really do that much of. It's more of just a have fun car than anything else. But yeah, I mean, so far everything's amazing on the kit. We did get a new header as well, just because of the whole bolt snapping off thing and all that, but that should actually be here tomorrow, and we'll be doing probably an install video on that as well. But yeah, I mean, that's all we've really done to it. Again, I mean, that's all. It's actually kind of a big change. Dyno will be coming soon. See what kind of numbers it puts out. We are just on 91 pump, running stock injectors and stock fuel pump. So, but yeah, I think that's going to be it for this video. We just wanted to kind of show you what's going on, and then we'll be doing some passes when we get it done. So stay tuned, and we will be back soon. See ya.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't